What makes Gonzaga University's Mechanical Engineering Department stand out are its students and its faculty. The tight-knit community, the focus on our mission, bringing liberal arts education alive in a technical way.
This holistic education not only gives me the necessary engineering solutions in a technical aspect, but also other factors such as social, cultural, environmental, and other economic factors that are really important when it comes to making technical engineering decisions.
Mechanical engineering is a very broad discipline of engineering that focuses more on the moving parts side of building things. It is important for me to be able to serve the communities that I live in and to make the world a better place. And I think that Gonzaga blends these ideas of a very rigorous technical education along with very strong social and humanitarian values that help develop a well-rounded engineer.
The ability to be involved from day one and to kind of be involved their entire time here and really develop those skills over the course of the 4 years that sets them up to go off and do whatever it is they want to do next.
I love the small class sizes just because you get a lot closer with your cohort and your classes. Just working all together on the homework and hammering it out. Honestly, it makes it more fun that way because you're all in the same boat and the teachers are just so excited to help. So I just love that they're willing to give their time and energy to each and every one of us if we're willing to ask.
Having access to professors, having them know your name, having them actually care about how you're doing in their class is extremely important, and it's a game changer. You really learn how you learn, and you learn how to be successful and how to find answers to questions that you don't know.
Students at Gonzaga have access to a number of different labs, from the projects lab to the manufacturing lab to the machine shop itself. There's a lot of professor-driven research labs as well, and those are great to get a one-on-one mentor relationship with a professor, as well as a great hands-on experiential problem solving.
My freshman year, I was very heavily involved with the Gonzaga chapter of Society of Automotive Engineers, their Baja Club. So we build a car from scratch and then drive it at a competition at the end of the year. Because I wanted to get my foot in the door right away. I learned a lot from older students as well, who were more than willing to help, and it was just a really fun experience for me.
The best way that students gain that real-world experience is through the senior design project offered in the senior year at Gonzaga. And so through this project, it's a year-long project, and students are able to work with teammates, advisors, liaisons, and companies, all in order to meet very tight deadlines.
The students will be on teams with civil engineering students and computer engineering students and computer science students, and they really get a broad kind of introduction to projects from all across the industry.
This is an amazingly inclusive learning environment. The students here are working together to tackle problems in their academics, to play and learn together in their clubs, and the faculty here are here because they like this environment.
Gonzaga has invested in a STEM building that integrates our science and our engineering programs, which are the basic tenets of what STEM is all about. It's 82,844 square feet of space that we expect, the basic sciences and engineering and computer science program to occupy. What it means for us is an opportunity to expand our offering of research for our faculty, as well as opportunities for students to do research at our faculty.
I definitely wouldn't be where I am and be where I'm going without having done research. Research I highly recommend to any prospective student. It provides a great one-on-one mentor relationship with one of the many amazing faculty here at Gonzaga, and also provides a lot of problem-solving experience that will help you whether you go into a career in industry, in research, or whether you move forward and go to grad school like I'm about to do.
Employers at the end of the day want somebody that they're able to work with. They don't want just a robot, somebody that just does their job and you don't know anything else about them.
So we have to have a strong ethical and moral responsibility for what we do as engineers. And that's perhaps one of the most important things that we can do as an engineer.
Engineering is not just about the immediate solutions. It's about thinking long-term and thinking about the sustainability. And I think that's very important. And I think employers will look for future engineers that can be able to connect that aspect of looking long-term.
It's just something that's so built into the DNA of this place that it really gives students that motivation and that fire to kind of take with them as they go on from here.